Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on what you need to play Airsoft or what you need to for an Airsoft war. I'm just going to go over the simple stuff, the obvious stuff, what you will obviously need. To start off, you really need eye protection, so just a mask, any type of mask would work. I don't use a mask. I use goggles like these because I think the masks are just too much for me, but that's not the same for most people. I use a holster to carry on the sidearm that I own, and I will show you that later. You always need BBs, so I usually use Elite Force, like right here. It really doesn't matter. You can really use any BBs. Even if you're starting, you can just go buy some Walmart BBs or anything like that. You usually need gloves. Like hard knuckle gloves would be good because it really sucks to get hit in the finger. Because I've been through that and it does not feel very well. I'm more advanced, so I use a chest rig, and this is a Condor chest rig. It's very simple. It just has two M4 magazine pouches and a extra pistol pouch that I need. I just use this for face protection other than my goggles. It just covers my lower part, like my nose down, because it really hurts to get shot in the lip and all that kind of stuff. Speaking of the whole sidearm, I use a gas blowback, M&P 9 compact pistol. It is operated on green gas. It shows on the bottom of the clip is where you enter it. The problem with these guns, the mags get very cold after you're done with them, and whenever they're cold, it seems to spit the gas whenever you enter it, which isn't the best thing that can happen. So I bought an extra mag to go with it. And you really don't need a pistol that much if you have a primary. So speaking of the primary, I will show you two different primaries that you can own. It's completely two different types. Starting, you can have a sniper rifle. This is more advanced and you really don't need one. This is my weapon of choice. It is a BSR-10 sniper rifle. I've had it for over a year. Works fine. Another different kind is you can use some kind of shotgun or assault rifle. This is a UTG Tokyo Marui shotgun. It is a single shot. Most of them are tri-shot. This is a single shot. You really don't have to have one. You can have an M4, all those different types of stuff. And that would be operated on these shells. I think those are actually very worth it. They are very accurate. They can help you a lot. Also, a speed loader helps too. If you're ever in a situation you need to reload quickly, these help. All you do is go like this, push that down, and the BBs will go out into the clip and everything. So that works a lot. That is pretty much it. That's just simple stuff. Of course, the other thing you really need is eye protection and a gun. That's really all that matters. Most people start with Springers. I started with Springers. Everyone starts with Springers. No one starts with a green gas or anything like that usually. There's some people every once in a while, but that doesn't happen very much. That's pretty much it. That's really all you need if you're more advanced. And I can go over all the prices of all of this since it's actually not very bad. So I'm just going to start. These masks are usually 10-15 bucks. You can find them at Walmart, Dick's, whatever. These gloves were about 10-15 at evike.com. They're pretty good, very good protection on your hand. This was $30 for my MP9C on evike.com. It is a 511. Each one of these BBs were $30 because they are Elite Force BBs. So this was only $10, I believe. Covers your face. It helps. Definitely helps. This chest rig altogether was probably $50, including the mag pouches and this. It is very simple. All you need, just for a chest rig, it's really not that hard. The pistol itself was $140. It's okay. It's perfect for a gas blowback, and the extra mag with it was $30, which is alright. And this was $20 off of evac.com. They fog up, but it doesn't really affect it. It doesn't fog up very often. Speed loaders come free usually. The shotgun shells will come free if you buy a shotgun. And I also have slings. I really don't want to get one out right now. But that's just a simple part. That is pretty much it, guys. That's really all you will need if you really want to play and get into it. That's just all the simple stuff, and if you want any other reviews on any guns, just comment and I will be sure to do that. So other than that, I will see you guys later.